Hello YouTubers, this is Azim and I'm showing you my new Lego vending machine. This is my creation. See that? It takes money. Okay, I don't have the Lego money pieces. I use the slanted pieces. It's reload with 2 soda. Okay, 2 soda. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it works. Take the money, put it on the side. Okay, and there you go, your soda. Reload it back. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, off this. When you take your money will punch your soda, and there you go. It goes off, and the one is stuck there. Okay, yeah, it's pretty cool. No one ever created. If one created, they create the holes right there, but mine different. Okay, YouTubers, my next video we're gonna be how to transform my Lego Transform Devastator, all of it, how to transform it. Not transfer into Devastator, but vehicle to vehicle. Okay, this is Lego vending machine. Azim signing off.